from across the way, and I think about that moment every day. Holding on to that feeling is enough. It's enough for me. Your smile, it drew me in, and I bought you a drink, and ever since I've come to know you, and that's enough. Oh, that's enough for me. Every time I'm there by your side, everything just feels so right. Every minute, every second, all memories I'll keep my whole life. All memories I'll keep my whole life. There's something so real about you. You are what I look forward to. Holding on to that feeling means so much to me. When I remember back, this year has been the best I had. The future looks so bright, so much life ahead with you, my friend.